Paano ba mag-verify sa World Coin App? Buksan natin yung ating World App. Click natin yung verify. Verify to register. Ayan, may dalawang klase ng pag-verify. Yung verify humanity, yung sa orb. Then, ang isa naman ay passport. Click natin yung passport. Verify tayo through passport. Get verified with credential. Click natin ang agreement. Then, open passport to the page and adjust until the box turns green down. Okay, start scanning. Wait down until yung box is mag-green. Ayan, nag-green siya. Okay. Learn how to scan your passport. Continue. Then, paano ba yan? Once you see, okay, all set, follow the instruction to scan your passport using the NFC reader. Don't forget to remove the cover. Make sure the cover is removed for a successful scan. Lay your passport in a flat surface. Placing your passport horizontally helps with clips reading down. Place your device on top. I-remove natin yung ating cover. Yung housing ng cellphone. Then, ipatong natin sa passport. Ayun. Hold your device on the passport. Ayan. Pinatong ko yung aking cellphone doon sa harapan ng aking passport. Okay. Inuro ko kasi. Paano ba? Ayan. Okay, tapos na. Then, ensure that the device user is the same as the passport holder down. So, verify natin yung ating sarili. Camera. Then, make sure this is valid. Creating credential or processing your data, keep the app open down. Okay. Success. Passport verified. Your passport verification was successfully added to your World ID tab. Continue. Where did you find the chip on your passport? Sa front yung akin eh. So, itong pinutin natin. Thank you for your feedback. Your feedback help us enhance. Ayan. Ito yung aking World ID. Ito yung aking passport. 420 World Coin. Yan yung ma-receive mo pag verify ng passport. Yeah. Sa herbs naman, paano ka makapa-verify? Kailangan mo muna magpa-schedule bago pumunta rito at makikita mo to sa iyong WorldCoin apps sa My Settings. At pag andun ka na, i-assess ka naman nila kung paano. Sa pag-claim naman ng iyong WorldCoin, pwede sa PDAX at pwede din sa GCash mismo. At ipapakita ko kung paano sa GCash. Diyan sa WorldCoin mo, pag makita mo na yung claim, halimbawa 8 WorldCoin, 16 WorldCoin, like that. Pag may makita ka sa baba ng claim, pindutin mo yung claim. Tapos So, mapupunta yung coins mo sa wallet. Then, punta muna tayo ng ating GCash. Then, hanapin mo yung Gcrypto. Then, pindutin natin ating WorldCoin. Then, receive. Then, copy natin yung address. Ayan, na-copy na. Balik tayo sa ating WorldCoin. Ayan. Withdraw. Select method. Ayan, select method. Then, to crypto app. Add new address. Then, click others. Yes, proceed. Then, paste nyo lang yung galing sa GCash na wallet o coin wallet. Ayan. Continue. Confirm withdrawal. Okay. Withdrawal processing. Then, check natin yung ating GCash. Ayan. Dito na sa WorldCoin. May kalkas siyang, kasi 55 yun eh. So, 15 ang kalkas. Ayan na yung WorldCoin natin. Then, from WorldCoin, paano natin pupunta yung balance natin doon sa GCash mismo natin. Pindutin natin yung ating WorldCoin. Then, gawin natin para makuha natin yung ating 16 WorldCoin. Pindutin natin yung sell. Then, enter lang natin dito yung 16. Ayan. So, bumaba yung WorldCoin kanina kasi is 1,030 yan. So, withdrawin na natin habang malaki pa. Then, we'll receive 1,027 na lang. Kasi, okay. Pindutin natin yung sell agad. Baka bababa pa. Ayan. So, may nag-receive tayong 1,028. After natin siya i-sale, mapupunta naman siya dito sa trading wallet. So, paano naman natin siya malilipat doon mismo sa ating GCash? I-withdrawin natin. 1,028. And continue. Your email down 912505. Success. Ayan na. So, wala siyang fish. Buo natin siyang makuha. So, tingnan natin sa ating Gcash. Ayan, 0 na siya. At 30 cents na naiwan. Then, pwede na tayo sa ating Gcash. Ayun na. Okay. Nadagdag na yung ating 1,030. Sa mga taong hindi pa alam kung ano ang WorldCoin, babasahin ko lang itong nakalagay dito sa apps nila. What is WorldCoin? WorldCoin is a currency for unique humans. Every verified user is eligible to claim WorldCoin. Yung guarantee naman ng WorldCoin, sabi, we give you a guaranteed amount of WorldCoin that you will receive in a year. Then, sabi, claim every month. Claim a portion of your WorldCoin every month. If you don't claim in time, you will lose some WorldCoin. Then, meron din silang referral at makakuha ka rin ng coins doon. Sa mga wala pang referral code, pwede niyang gamitin ang aking referral code at saka kailangan niyo yan na ilagay kapag kayo ay magpa-schedule sa pagpa-verify sa herb.